Good morning. My name is Siddhant Sachdev and I'm the Executive Director for AuroToshi Automatic Systems, an Aurionpro Solutions Limited group company. Today, I want to thank the team behind our new branding identity and the immense effort that they have put in to deliver a logo that deeply resonates with our company's vision for the future. Our new logo is more than just a design change. At its heart is a simple idea. The O with flowing cuts and a forward momentum that represents the ethos of being purpose-driven and open to our clients' needs. It also represents how AuroToshi has evolved from a strong manufacturing company into a technology-led engineering partner. At our core, we are about precision. We not only build robust systems, but we also bring in advanced enterprise technology. So what we deliver isn't just built to work, but built to scale, perform, and last. This identity also reflects our alignment with Aurionpro's global vision, a shared focus on deep R&D, IP-led products, and manufacturing excellence, coming together to create solutions that improve connectivity, reliability, and enhance real-world impact. Together with Aurionpro, we are committed to building world-class Make in India technology, powering infrastructure, industry, and mobility, not just in India, but across the world.
Myself, Sanjeev Sachdev, Managing Director, AurionPro Automatic Systems. At AuroToshi, we believe that strong foundations are the cornerstone of lasting success. Technology will continue to evolve and markets will inevitably change, but the core values remain constant. We begin with manufacturing, guided by the precision, discipline, and responsibility. But over time, we embrace technology not as a trend, but as a way to serve better. In Bhagavad Gita, it is said, Yog Karmasu Kaushalam, which means true progress comes when skill is guided by a purpose. This belief shaped every solution we deliver. Our new identity reflects this journey and expresses who we are today with greater clarity and where we will be in coming time. Thank you.